Guys, I forgot my strap for those green palms right there. Take them out of their containers and plant them. I need a really little strap. I have a really big strap for a big giant canary palm there. I have to plant down here in San Ramon this morning. But I forgot to bring my little strap for the queen palms. What to do? Well, that's right. Anything you really need in life, you can probably find on the side of the road on the way to where you're going. And in this case, I found this strap. I'll make a loop on one side, and then I'll make a loop on the other side, and I'll have a great strap. I'll show you how that works when I get to the job. But look at what I found, people. Look at what I found. I recycle all my containers. I keep them up at my ranch because there's no garbage service there. And then I take them down to the store after like 6 months and I make like $50. And then I go in and I buy more beer. That's what I do. You should do the same thing. Why not? Instead of throwing out your containers on the side of the freaking road, people. Jeez, come on. This is absolute insanity. Not only should you not be throwing out stuff that you can make a nickel on, you can make a nickel on this. Please don't throw anything out. This is just so... It's like I wanted to stop. I also got 2 Masonry Sponges right here. Look at that. Yeah, these are great for sponging off your masonry or rocks when you're mortaring waterfalls and things like that, bricks. So they always fly out of the guys' trucks. So So I had a pretty good take. Let's count it up. In fact, I see another one. So do you guys know where water goes? It goes to the lowest location, elevation-wise. Can anyone tell me where the lowest location, elevation-wise, is? Pretty much everywhere, except for maybe Death Valley, the desert in Israel, but that's below sea level. But generally, sea level is pretty much the lowest elevation. And so guess what? Guess where all of this crap goes that flies out of your car or that you throw out of your car because you're too damn lazy to take it home and put it in a garbage can. Guess where? Look, here's another nickel. I found another nickel. I'll pick up a nickel all day long. I'll clean up the garbage if I get paid a little bit. I don't have time to clean all this garbage up. I really wish I could, but I can't. I have to go to work. Look at this, guys. This all goes to the ocean. Please stop it. These fish are all gonna die. They're all gonna die. They're all gonna die. All of them. All of them. This is one drain. This is one drain in a reasonably eco-conscious country, in a reasonably eco-conscious part of the country. California. All these people say they're environmentalists. Look at this. It's just, oh my gosh. Anyway, I got my strap. I got some nice sponges. Last time I had to use my wife's sponge from her kitchen and she got really mad. And look, let's count it up. Let's see how much money I made. It took like, I don't know, a couple minutes. Look, you can even get a nail. Look at this nail. I'm gonna throw this nail. This nail will make iron for plants, like fertilizer. So I'm gonna throw it up there. No one will run over it. Oh no! No. Don't be part of the problem, be part of the solution. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. There you go, 70 cents. I made 70 cents, people. I got a strap, I got some sponges, and I got depressed. So I'm not sure if it was worth it. Anyway, I want you to remember this. Anytime you have loose stuff in the back of your pickup truck that's going to blow out, or worse, you're one of those people. If you're one of those people, I'm coming to get you. Look, there's so many more. There's so many more. It took me, I think, about 5 minutes total. 5 minutes total. And I made 70 cents. 70 cents every 5 minutes times 20. That's $14. Is that $14 an hour? And if I was just picking up the cans and stuff and I had like a bucket to carry them in, I could have increased my efficiency to probably $30 an hour. That means you can make $30 an hour tax-free collecting cans on the side of the road. At least where I went. There are many, many more out there. So anyway, whatever. I would be a really good homeless person, I think. Those are just wasted skills, I guess. Now, when you grow up, you want the kind of job where moms with strollers with little boys stop to watch you. Right. And pretty much everybody stops to watch you. Hello! Yeah, that's the kind of job you want. Because it's just so much fun. You know? Alright, so I'm going to plant this tree. And then I will show you how to make a strap. A really nice strap. You find these straps on the side of the road all the time. Now, of course, you have to be really careful when you pull over. You gotta do it in a safe spot. Don't cause another accident, that kind of thing. Look for the shoulder, off-ramp, whatever, kind of what I did. But, yeah, there's all kinds of great stuff. Maybe wear an orange shirt. Orange works well to not get hit. Look as much like a traffic cone as possible. And stay very far away from any potential collisions. All right. Anyway, just make sure that you get the kind of job where stroller moms stop and their kids are just in total bewilderment. Total, look, she's filming me, I'm filming her. Yeah, that's the kind of job you want. I'm gonna see if I can hang you guys in the crane hook right here. Think it's possible? Let me try. Is that a good tripod? Maybe. Hey, it worked. This is how you make a loop. Got your strap, right? Here's your big strap. Take your strap, go like that. And go about like this. Boom. Got a little loop. Probably cut this guy off eventually when you get a good knife. And now you make another one. Why buy straps when you don't have to? Why buy straps when you can get them for free and prevent whales from swallowing them? Can you see me? And there you go. Boom. Now I'll show you kind of what I'm doing here. Your strap, go around the tree. Lay it down like that. Grab the other strap. Hopefully you're not filming when you're doing this. It's a lot easier. And you just kind of work it through. Suck it up. Choke it. That's how you choke it. Choke. Strap in the crane hook. And you are off and running. It's gonna be so much easier getting these things out of the container over the fence. All I had was a big strap, so it's all about manifesting. You're like, oh no, I forgot a strap. Well, okay, I'm gonna see one on the freeway. Sure enough, it happened.